I know AI is a scary word for you. You feel like you're going to be replaced, and schools are now terrified of how this is going to affect exams, learning, and cheating. But instead of going to the depths of how we're doomed, let's break it down a little and address some of your fears. Don't be scared. The first question is, will ChatGPT kill Google? Not to freak you out, but ChatGPT is way more advanced than Google and can act as any character you need it to, such as a writing editor, a lawyer, a consumer, and Google can't. So brace yourself. First, I'm gonna highlight how to embrace ChatGPT as a teacher or parent and why banning it is really not an effective solution. Hear me out. Firstly, banning it simply just won't work because even if schools do ban it, there's still going to be a way to get it via VPNs, and students have laptops, iPhones, tablets, and we all know kids know how to get what they want. So instead of fearing it, let's look at some ways ChatGPT will help in the classroom and at home. The OpenAI app has the potential to enhance student creativity by being creative with what prompts it gives the chatbot. It's on you to give the chatbot the correct prompts. It can provide personalized tutoring and prepare students for future careers that will involve working with artificial intelligence. Does anyone remember calculators? I mean, those things had commands on them that me as a communications major, I had no clue about. But we were allowed to use them for some assignments, but not for others. So schools can adopt a more nuanced approach to ChatGPT and allow its use for some assignments, assuming that students will use it when not under direct supervision. And then over breaks, like for example, summer break, teachers can adjust their lessons to avoid cheating. For students, ChatGPT can improve basic writing skills, especially for English language learners. For teachers, ChatGPT can save time and preparation and generate quizzes. The chatbot is a tool that is here to stay and will only become more advanced over time, way more advanced than any search engine like Google. So this means that students need to be equipped with the knowledge and skills to work effectively with AI. In the future, students will encounter AI in the workplace and will need to have hands-on experience in order to understand and effectively use these tools. If you have any questions or fears that you want us to address in the next video, please do reach out and comment in the space below. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.